Yo, what up? Now let's go ahead and talk about the Shopify POS purchase order. And in case you wonder what this is about, this is an internal record of what you're buying from your supplier before the product even arrives. Okay, so it's more like it's the list of the vendor, the product variants, quantities, and also cost price that you're ordering. So let's go ahead and create this. So now for you to do this, you want to come to your Shopify, okay, your Shopify dashboard or admin area, and you come to products. Under products, just click on products, and then under products, click on purchase orders, okay, right there, and you're gonna see this page that looks like this. So you want to create purchase order, okay, and right there are the information that you want to create. So the first thing is you want to select your supplier. So right here, you go ahead, add the information about the supplier here. So let me just say work with experts, okay. Okay, then you select the country of the supplier, okay, then the address, just add the address, okay. Let me just get an address. Yeah, I mean city shouldn't be allowed, but just right, let's just put anything right there. Just okay, and okay, so once you save, so this is just an example, so you can see the suppliers details here. The next thing is you want to go ahead to input the destination, so you can say your shop location, okay, so which you'll have already added in your settings, okay. Then the payment term, which is optional, you can decide to say cash on delivery or payment on receipt, or maybe you've paid already. Go ahead and pick any one. All right, then you select your currency. If it's United States dollars or whatever, you go ahead and select that. Then the estimated arrival, so you want to go ahead and pick an estimated arrival, okay. So let's say we are going September, sorry, let me just say September 30th, okay. Then the carrier, you pick your carrier, okay, whichever one, if it's DHL or whatever, just pick any one that you want to pick, okay. So let's say DHL Express, okay. Then your tracking number should be here, okay. So let's just say, yeah, just an example, okay. Now remember, this is just default, so and you want to talk about the product you want to add, okay. So you want to browse products, so the product that you want the suppliers to send, okay. So go ahead, you'll already add it in your product, okay. So go ahead and post add, click on your products, okay, then click on add products. So you go ahead and click on products like this, then you add products, okay. So once you add the product, that is when it will be effective here, okay. So the moment you click on browse, so the product is going to show here, that you can select. So let's just say I want to pick this, so you can pick the products that you want to be sent, and then you go ahead, put in the supplier's SKU, okay, which is the stock keeping unit, okay, the supplier stock keeping unit. Then pick the quantity, so maybe 30, okay, and this one, if it's 30 also, you write it. Then you talk about the cost price, the amount you are ready to pay for it, okay. So maybe for this, I just want to pay $59 each, okay, and for these, maybe I want to pay $37 each, okay. Then the tax also, you can put that, all right. So meaning total now for the 30 quantity will be 1,770 dollars, okay. Then this one also is over $1,000, okay, and for 30 units of this. So this is how you go about it. And you can also add additional details like the reference number. You can also add notes to the supplier, okay, and also add tags, and that's it. And the moment you're done, you save it, okay, you save it, all right. And another tool you can also use for this, if you go to your apps, you can use a tool called Stocky. Sorry. So right here is Stocky, okay. You can also use Stocky for this, okay. And it's actually free if you're using a Shopify POS Pro, okay, Point of Sale Pro. It's a good one that you can use for this, okay. And inside the Stocky, you can go ahead. Let's check out Stocky. So this is it, okay. You can see inventory management for Shopify POS Pro, okay. So it's very easy. Once you install it, you have it. You can easily go ahead, click on purchase orders, and you click on new purchase order, and it goes ahead to help you to create the order, and your supplier, they're going to receive it. Okay. So the moment your products are getting sold out, it's automatically processed them for you. Okay. So that is all about the Shopify POS. Okay. And the moment you have it done, just go ahead and you can, export it. Okay. Just like this, the purchase order. Where is it? Okay. Yep. So once you're done, okay, once you click, you can see this is the purchase order here. So the moment you're done, you can just go ahead, you can export it or you can print it as PDF and you can send to your supplier, okay? And, when the shipment arrives, okay, as your, point of sale location, you can just go back to products, purchase order, and you can mark it as received item, okay? But I'm not done with it. I did not have a lot of information, so that is it. So, but the moment you have your order, just call me and mark it as received. So this is exactly how you can go about creating your Shopify point of sale purchase order, right? So if you have any question, you can let me know in the comment box. So this is how you go about it. And if this video has been helpful, please make sure that you hit the red subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so that you can be notified whenever I drop new video tutorials like this. And I wish you the best. Peace and have a nice day ahead. Bye.